Hey guys, today me try understand short selling and me already feel brain melt. Picture this, cavemen sit in shiny glass hut full of glowing money screens. Strange place called stock exchange. Me follow tribe elder named Todd. He wear suit so tight it cut blood flow to brain. Todd yell, I made $10,000 betting the stock would fall. Caveman blink. Me thought human only make money when rock go up, not down. So me ask, wait, you want rock price go down? Todd laughs, says, yes, buddy, that's how you short. You bet it falls, you borrow, sell it now, and buy back cheaper later. Caveman very confused. That like saying, me borrow mammoth, sell it, then buy cheaper mammoth later in return, and pocket shiny shells in between. But what if mammoth price go up, you return more expensive mammoth? You broke, Todd shrug. That's the risk. Me blink, head hurt, feel like brain fight saber-toothed tiger. If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell cavemen in comments. Where your cave? What moon time? Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So after brain stops spinning, cavemen sit cross-legged and say, okay Todd, pretend me dumb rock, explain again. Todd grin, say, fine, listen. Short selling is when you borrow a stock, sell it at today's price, then later buy it back cheaper, and return what you borrowed, you keep the difference. Cavemen squint. Borrow what you know own. Yes, Todd say, just like borrowing your neighbor's goat, selling goat at market, then buying same goat back later for less money and giving it back. Cavemen blink slow, so me no have goat, but me sell goat, then buy goat and return goat and profit from goat journey. Yes, Todd say, exactly, cavemen fall backward. But what if goat price go up, cavemen ask. Then you cry, Todd say, because you still owe one goat, but now goat cost more than what you sold it for, you lose shiny rocks. Suddenly it makes sense. It not about owning, it about betting direction of wind. You say wind blow north, me bet on north, but if wind blow south, your tent fly away. Caveman realize, short selling is not really about stocks, it about belief, about guessing future, about gambling that bad thing will happen. Traders say this company trash, then short it. If they right, they win. If they wrong, they lose fur, cave, wife, everything. It very opposite of buying. When you buy, you say, me love this thing. When you short, you say, me hate this thing and want to see it fall. Cavemen ask, but why anyone allow this, you know own stock, why they let you borrow it? Todd says, because someone always willing to lend, especially for interest. Broker happy, you pay little rental fee, everyone smile until stock go wrong way. And just like that, caveman learn. Short selling equals borrow stock, sell high, wait, buy low, return, profit, if world go your way. But if price go up, you cry into mammoth fur, caveman return to village, sit around fire. Tell tribe what he learned, say, me find new magic, you can make shiny rocks when thing go bad. Tribe goes silent, then Elder Morga say, you mean no need build, no need hunt, just wish for failure and profit? Yes, cavemen say, proud like buffalo with big horns, whole tribe cheer, young ones dance. Trader of dried mammoth meat shout, me going to short neighbor's coconut stand. Next day, tribe shorts everything, coconut stand, firewood shop, rock painting cousin, even spiritual shaman's herb hut. They no even wait to see if thing fail, they just bet on it failing, because now failing equals profit. Caveman feels strange, like snake in belly. Me ask tribe, but what if thing no fail? They laugh, of course it fail, everything fail eventually. Suddenly caveman feel power in wrong hands, then real drama happen. One young warrior named Slorb short sell stock in flame rock lidded, they make spark stones. Say price too high, say it bubble, say it fall. But then, rival tribe buy lots of stock. Post scrolls on cave wall, hype up flame rock. Say flame rock cure baldness and boredom. Price go up like angry volcano, slurb panic. He must now buy back stock at higher price to return it. He lose all his shiny rocks, then lose his cave. Then his wife leave to marry guy who longed flame rock early. Tribe gather, watch slurb cry. Caveman ask elder, why we so obsessed with short selling? Elder stroke beard. Say because when you long stock you hope, but when you short you bet against hope, and that make it feel like you know secret others don't. It thrill, it rush, it gambling but with extra evil sprinkle. Me realize, short selling no just trade, it emotional ritual. It attract those who think world too dumb, company too fake, and price too high. They know just trade, they smirk, but smirk disappear fast when wind change direction. Caveman, feeling wise like eagle on tall rock, decide to try short selling. Me hear rumor in trading cave, big banana company too big, too ripe, going to rot. Everyone say short it now, banana bubble. Caveman think, easy, me short, me rich. So me find shiny man with clipboard, say me want borrow banana stock, me sell, me buy back later, me return. Man nod, sure caveman we lend for tiny fee. Caveman sell at 100 shiny rocks per stock, feel powerful, tribe clap, wife kiss forehead. But then, disaster. Big banana company release news. We now make chocolate dip banana snacks. World go crazy, stock shoot up, 110, 120, 130, caveman scream, clipboard man return. Hey buddy, you still owe me same banana stock, but now, very expensive. Caveman break into sweat, brain flood with fear, heart sound like war drum, tribe laugh from behind bush. Ha! Caveman thought he could beat market. Caveman run to tree, try hide, but clipboard man always find you. You must buy back now, he say, or we take fur rug and stone toothbrush. Me forced to buy back at 140 shiny rocks, sold at 100. That mean 40 shiny rocks lost per share. Multiply by many shares equals caveman go broke. Wife stop kissing forehead, start sharpening spear. Neighbor whisper, he shorted bananas, now he's short on brains. Worst part, company no even crash, banana bubble still inflating. Caveman sit alone in mud pit, covered in regret, holding broken coconut calculator, thinking, me bet on failure, and now failure come, but for me. And that when me learn most painful truth of short selling, when you long stock, you can only lose what you put in, but when you short, losses are infinite, because stock can go up forever. You never know, chocolate banana surprise always possible. So if you wrong, even once, even for short time, even if just Tuesday morning, the market crush you like mosquito. That day, caveman almost lose beard. Caveman sit by fire, licking wounds. Clipboard man say, you no understand mechanics. Me explain again with bananas. Caveman sigh. Me ready. He take rock and draw. You see banana tree. Tree not yours. It belong to Farmer Bob. You say, Bob, lend me one banana. Me give back later. Bob say, okay, but you owe me same banana or better. Now you have banana, but you no eat. You sell it at market for 10 shiny rocks. Then you wait. If luck smile, banana price fall to 6 shiny rocks. You buy 1 banana back, return to Bob, keep leftover 4 shiny rocks. Caveman eyes widen. So profit come from change in price, not from banana itself? Clipboard man nod. Yes, you never owned banana. You just borrowed future misery hoping it appear. But, he warned, if price go up to 15 shiny rocks, you still must buy banana back, even if your soul weep. Cavemen think, this trick dangerous, because you profit only if price go down. You owe item no matter what. Market can stay crazy longer than you stay alive. Cavemen say, so you play hot potato, but if potato get more expensive, you burn hand. Yes, clipboard man say. That why smart trader always start with this understanding. You are not trading a banana, you are trading a promise. Promise to return thing you know own, that deep magic, magic with teeth. Caveman remember when cousin Krog borrowed wife's cooking pot to trade for shiny belt. Forgot to return. Wife hit him with new pot. Same energy. Short selling equals you borrow first, sell now, hope future gets worse, then buy back cheaper and return what was never yours. If it work, you hero. If it fail, you become mud ornament. So cavemen scribble first lesson into dirt. Never short without understanding banana mechanics. After caveman lose fur, fire, and most of self-esteem, friendly trader lady named Melba approach. She say, "Caveman, you need stop loss." Caveman grunt, "What that? Like stop crying." "No," she laugh. "Stop loss is magic stick that protect you from full-blown disaster." She draw picture in dirt with stick. Say you short banana at 100 shiny rocks. You expect it fall to 80, but just in case banana rise to 110, you put stop loss automated guard who shouts, "Stop, buy back now." Caveman scratch beard. "So me no wait until banana reach 150 and destroy my soul?" Melba nod. "Yes, stop loss say enough pain we exit now." Caveman feel hope return, so me plan loss in advance. "Yes," she say. "Short selling without stop loss is like wrestling saber-toothed cat with blindfold, brave but very dead." Melba show shiny screen, set price range, set risk limit. Caveman eyes sparkle. He finally see tool of survival. She explain, "You always know how much you willing to lose. You prevent emotions from controlling trade. You still lose, yes, but you no lose entire village." Caveman nod slowly. "This like building fence around fire, so baby no crawl into flame." "Exactly," she say. Then she lean close, whisper ancient wisdom. "Winning trader's not the smartest, just the least stubborn." Caveman sit quietly. "Me remember last week when me refused to exit bad short because me believe it will fall eventually. Instead, price rose, then rose more, then rocket into space, and me still hold candle waiting for it to fall back down. It never did." So Melba's trick become law in caveman brain. Always have exit plan before battle. Even mighty hunter must know when to run. That day, caveman no make profit, but caveman no lose beard either. Progress. Few moons later, caveman meets gray-haired trader with deep eye bags and calm voice. His name Old Man Chart. Old Man Chart sits under tree, sipping leaf water, watching stock scrolls float by on tablet stone. Caveman says, "Me ready to short again, got banana trick, got stop loss stick, now me just need perfect timing." Old Man Chart chuckles, "Then you still not ready." Caveman blinks. "Why?" He smiles. "Because the market is like herd of gazelle. You know chase gazelle when it's strong and fast. You wait until it tired, limping, or distracted by shiny pebble." Caveman confused. "So me no short just because me feel it too high?" "Exactly," Chart says. "You wait for signs. Signs that tribe tired of hype, signs that trend breaking, price moving down, volume drying up, that when you strike." He draws line in air. "This called technical analysis. It no magic, it just pattern watching." Caveman nods slowly. "Remember last time he shorted too early? Me thought rock price too high, but it climbed higher, like angry eagle with jetpack." Chart says, "Don't fight trend, ride it or wait till it crack. Use chart like star map. It won't tell future, but it hint what might come. Ignore noise, watch sentiment, watch momentum, watch volume." Caveman's eyes wide. "So patience is secret weapon?" Chart nods. "Impatience kill more traders than bad ideas." He hands Caveman scroll with 2 words, "Wait first, strike clean." Next day, Caveman tests lesson. Banana company rise too fast, tribe cheers, caveman waits more. Then one day, CEO caught in cave scandal. Price wobbles. Caveman shorts at right moment. Price collapses like old hut. Caveman exits with small but safe profit. No beard lost, no cave burned, just calm trade. That night, Caveman sits by fire, whispering mantra. Like hunter wait for gazelle leg to twist, me wait for hype to stumble. After many moons, many losses, and few sweet wins, Caveman sits alone atop mountain. No scrolls, no shiny screens, just brain and wind. Caveman thinks. Short selling is like betting that fire will go out. But even if fire's small now, what if wind come? What if someone throw log? What if spark find dry leaves? You never fully control outcome. Caveman remembers all moments, when tribe laughed as Caveman shorted Banana Co., then cried when Chocolate Line launch. When Caveman stubbornly held short too long, hoping fire die, but fire becomes volcano. When Clipboard Man returned with sad face and invoice, Caveman realizes short selling not evil, but it not friend either, it tool, sharp one. Like obsidian blade, cut fast, cut deep, good and skilled hand, dangerous and foolish one. Most traders lose because they short too early. They no use stop loss. They think price can't rise more. Spoiler, it always can. Caveman learns to respect madness of market, learns to time tribe psychology, not just company truth, because even worse company can go up if crowd believe hard enough. He also learns profit from falling tree but never stand under it. So now Caveman only short when chart say yes, herd say maybe not, risk small, exit clear, emotion gone, no more rage trades, no more ego wars with Banana Co., just quiet fire, small trade, quick escape, because ultimate wisdom, no trade worth your beard, your cave, or your peace. Caveman now sleeps better, wife returns, beard grows fuller, and when tribe ask, you still shorting? Caveman smiles, strokes chin, and says, only when wind is right and my soul is quiet. Caveman does not pretend to be Wall Street wizard. Me still get scared when chart look like mountain. Me still confused when candle red but stock go up. Me no expert, but now, me wiser. Before, Caveman thought short selling was easy shiny trick. Just yell that company bad and money rain down. Now me know, it deep game. Dangerous game, not for soft bones. Caveman used to short because tribe shouted, because meme scrolls said too high, because fire pit gossip said it's over for Banana Co. But now, Caveman asks, is this just tribe noise? Is there actual crack in the hut? Do me have stop loss ready? Is wind calm? If answer no, Caveman walk away, because biggest profits sometimes come from trade you don't take. That may be most painful and powerful Caveman wisdom of all. Me also learn it okay to lose small, it not okay to lose everything. Fear and greed live in same cave, but discipline is fire you build yourself. So now Caveman focus less on being right and more on staying alive. Still trade, yes. Sometimes even short, yes. But only with respect, with plan, with timing, with protection. Like hunting mammoth, not charging in with rock and prayer. Final truth, if you bet on things falling, you better learn how to land first. Because every fall bring pain, unless you know how to jump off before ground, say hello. Because every fall bring pain, unless you know how to jump off before ground, say hello. So next time someone say, let's short this, you remember Caveman, you remember Banana Trick, you remember Mud Pit, you remember the beard almost lost. Me still make mistakes, but now, me survive them. And that, my friend, more powerful than shiny rock pile. So now cavemen sit in warm cave, sipping bone broth, thinking deep thoughts. Me tried short selling with no clue, almost lost beard, wife, and cave. But now, me use banana wisdom, me use stop-loss shield, me wait like wise owl before strike. Do cavemen still mess up sometimes? Yes. But now, me mess up with strategy. So if you ever tempted to bet against the tribe, to yell this thing fall while dancing in loincloth with confidence, stop, breathe, draw a banana chart. And remember, no matter how smart you think you are, if you short wrong, market club you like disobedient goat. But if this video give you one small smile, or even one big brain wrinkle, smash magic scribe stick, and bonk the like rock like your future depend on it. Drop comment for Caveman below, what you short before, what your worst trade. You still have beard? Caveman read all. Caveman reply with love and occasional grunt. Because here, we no just throw shiny rocks at screen. We walk into firelight together. Ooga booga.